So you finished your 3-week yoga retreat journey. You have improved your flexibility, you've lost some weight, you've improved your strength, you can chaturanga like a pro. But what happens after that? Do you just stop your yoga journey? If you really enjoyed 3-week yoga retreat and want to continue on with your yoga journey, Beachbody does now offer Beachbody Yoga Studio. We're going to talk about what it is, what it looks like, and how you can get it. What up, you guys? It's your girl Amanda, the Buzz Coach, and I am here to tell you a little bit about Beachbody Yoga Studio. And what the Beachbody Yoga Studio is a complete collection of all the yoga programs that are done by expert trainers, as well as for yoga trainers from the 3-week yoga retreat. And Beachbody Yoga Studio is intended to give you the power to choose the right yoga program for you based off of your lifestyle, your goals, your nutrition. And Beachbody Yoga Studio can only be found online on Beachbody's On-Demand application. And if you haven't heard about Beachbody On-Demand before, long story short, Beachbody On-Demand is an online library of all the Beachbody workouts, programs, everything that they've ever done, all in one platform.
I do want to disclose that I am a coach for Beachbody, but they did not pay me to share my thoughts or make this review. I just really wanted to see if it was a good fit for me, hence why I made this video review. So let's jump into the review and see what's up.
So when I first discovered Beachbody Yoga Studio and that it was just a compilation that was just thrown together from different types of programs, I was skeptical. To me, it didn't feel like it would offer a cohesive approach to yoga, especially if I was just starting out or if I had just gotten off the 3-week yoga retreat train. So I had my doubts and I wanted to investigate and really see if following Beachbody Yoga Studio would help me to develop myself after 3-week yoga retreat. I decided to hop onto Beachbody On-Demand app, go to the Beachbody Yoga Studio, and to look through and find a challenge that I could follow along to. So I decided to follow the 30-day challenge that Beachbody Yoga Studio offers, and it tells you day by day in those 30 days what specific workout you will be following. I'm going to show you the inside of what Beachbody Yoga Studio is, what it offers, what it looks like, so you'll have a good idea of what to expect. Let's go take a look.
You'll find a whole compendium of material ranging from lower body, cardio, core, yoga abs, shoulder exercises, back exercises, muscle recovery. In program materials, you will find a 3-day refresh program guide as well as a list of challenges you can complete within Yoga Studio. And like I mentioned before, I'm going to be doing the 30-day calendar challenge, and every single day you will do or follow a program that is listed on that day. It tells you the instructor as well as the amount of time it will take for you to complete. And you will also find 14-day and 5-day recovery calendars as well. And in case you're curious, here is an example of an exercise you would follow along to.
Hey guys, this is Faith, and welcome to Radiate and Shine.
So this is very similar to how 3-week yoga retreat is conducted. You'll be following very clear step-by-step instructions with these professional fitness experts. It's really cool.
During my 30-day challenge, I decided to take video snippets of my impressions after doing those specific workouts on that day. So here are just a few snippets. Hi everybody, so this is day 1 of me trying the Beachbody Yoga Studio. So the first exercise that kicks off the 30-day challenge is Radiate and Shine. So everything that you've learned prior in the 3-week yoga retreat, you're going to be using for day 1. Goddess pose, vinyasas, sun salutations, half salutations, downward facing dog, cobra, locust pose, warrior poses as well. As you can see, my cheeks are nice and rosy from perspiring. Yeah, you will work up a sweat, especially on day 1. What up, peeps? It's day 2. I just did a core workout with Vetas, and holy bananas, I am sweating like you wouldn't believe. Vetas comes in with core day 2 and is like, I'm gonna kick your ass. On 3-week yoga retreat, you should be able to follow along quite nicely. He does tell you some modifications just in case you can't quite get the moves like I did. These were tough. You're doing a lot of planks. For those of you who are not big fans of planks, get used to it. You're going to be doing a lot of them with this round, bending and twisting in ways that you probably never thought you could, but it isn't like crazy bending. Just finished doing Sweat and Detox with Vitas. This is day 30 of the challenge. I am sweating so profusely. During the workout itself, I had like droplets of sweat just coming down my nose, and it was insane. So we're using the same tactics of yoga practice that we've always been using, doing more concentrated poses, warrior poses, a lot of planks, a lot of downward facing dog, upward facing dog. So we did a lot of poses that helped you build a lot of heat, raises your heart rate, and then we also did detoxing poses, meaning like a lot of stretching poses, deep breathing, seated meditation, and stretching while doing it. So this was really cool, really fantastic, and I had a really good time doing this. So my overall impressions of Beachbody Yoga Studio, I initially thought it would just be this kind of like half-assed, thrown together program, but I was pleasantly mistaken. After going through the 30-day challenge, I realized how well thought out each and every day was in relation to each other. I felt like we touched on everything and it was all thought out. The story made sense, it flowed. And best of all, I saw results. I felt stronger, I was better able to hold my poses and to really be mindful of what I was doing. I was able to do pretty crazy poses, and I didn't think I would ever be able to do that. I mean, that's nuts. My flexibility has improved, and best of all, I lost weight. It's really cool to know that I don't have to do high impact cardio in order to get really good results. So is Beachbody Yoga Studio a great solution for the continuing of your yoga journey after 3-week yoga retreat? My answer is yes, it totally is. I highly recommend it. And I have to say, I have always been impressed with how Beachbody conducts itself and how it makes these programs that are just proven to give you results. I mean, that is really awesome.
And once again, you can find Beachbody Yoga Studio within the Beachbody On-Demand fitness app, which you can try for free for 14 days. It will include my coach affiliate link to the 14-day free trial in the description below. If you happen to click on that link and make a purchase, I will receive a small commission from Beachbody at no extra cost to you. And it also means that you get me as your coach.
When you do sign up, they will ask you for a credit card. They will not charge you. Only when after the 14 days are up is when they will charge your card. And if you cancel before the 14 days are up, you will not be charged. And to cancel, it's very easy. You can just easily call or cancel online, and you'll be set to go. So really, you have nothing to lose. So what do you think about Beachbody Yoga Studio? Does it sound exciting? Do you have any questions about it? Comment below if you have any other questions or if you need any help guiding you through the process. I'd be happy to help. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a like and to subscribe to my channel so that you can see more awesome reviews and tips from me in the future. All right, everyone, I'll talk to you all later. Bye!